Welcome to this video of making jewelry with pets. Use a CD marker to determine your design, which is already printed and put under a pet sheet. I've used ginkgo leaf as my design. You could choose any design you desire. Imitate all the lines you think is necessary. Then cut it with a scissor. We need a hole to put earring hook. To do that, use a needle which is heated. After that, use a flame to create a better form all around it. Notice not to hold the heat, just move it. It should be continuous and slow. When your piece is still warm, you could concave it with finger. This both disappears sharp edges and also helps to make a more professional shape and shiny appearance. I used transparent gold nail polish to create a shape. At the end, put the jump ring, chain, and again jump ring and earring hook. Finally, this is your art piece.